Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to convert daily data into monthly, quaternary and yearly from the Excel file. As you can see on the desktop, this is the Excel file containing the rainfall data on the daily basis from 2015 to 2020. Now I am going to open the Excel file after the double clicking on that file, and you can see here the day and rainfall data. It starts from January 1st 2015, January 2nd 2015, January 3rd 2015, January 4th 2015 and so on. When you scroll down that Excel file, you can see this is the daily data, and this data contained till 31st of December. I mean, this is the 6-year data on the daily basis, starting from January 2015 to December 2020. This data we will convert into monthly, quaternary and yearly without writing any equation. First, you have to select these all data from the Excel file. After selecting these all data, you have to click on the insert. After clicking the insert, you can find the pivot table in the left side of the bar, just below the file. After clicking the pivot table, you find this dialog. In this dialog, first indicate the select a table of range, and second is the new worksheet. Just click on that both. You have nothing to do in this dialog because this is the default selection, and you can work with this default selection. Just click OK. When you click OK, this kind of dialog will come. In the right side, you can see your data, day and rainfall data, and below that this is the 4 box: filter, column, row and values. Whatever you selected, this come in this box. Now you have to click on the day. Automatically quarters and years will come in this box. So here you can see I am clicking day, rainfall and years. You can find, like, actually this data indicate every year January, every year February, every year March value of rainfall. When you go down, you can see this in the monsoon season, like June 2015, and June month is the more rain. So you just click on the right here, go to the group and click OK. You find there is already selected months, quarter and years. Now you have to select day, and when you select day, and after selection of day, you click the OK. When you click OK, in your right hand side, months is added. Earlier it was only day, rainfall data, quarters and years. Now you can see the month is added. In your right side box. So you just unclick all month, quarters and years, and you can see your raw data like day and. So after that you can see that months is added. So just click on month of the day and you can find the monthly data all. This is the monthly data. I mean the month of all year, like sum of all month, but we need the separate yearly data as month. And move year top on the month in the row column. All month data separately and yearly, like 2015 January to December. And this is the quarterly data. You click quarter, day of month, you click quarter, and then you can find quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 for 2015, 16, 17, 18. And quarter 1 means January plus February plus March. Quarter 2 means April plus May plus June. Quarter 3 means July plus August plus September. Quarter 4 means this. So this is the every 3-month data for whole year. Now you want to see in a yearly form, just you off the quarter and you can see the total rainfall in 2015 is this. Total rainfall is the 2016 is this. Total rainfall in 17 is this. So this total 6-year rainfall. So this is called the annual rainfall of 6 year, like 15, 16 or 2020. I hope this video and exercise may help in your research and your data processing part. Mostly those students who don't know about the much coding in MATLAB and Python, you can easily convert that daily data into monthly, quarterly or yearly. If you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe and share to this video to your friend circle, and your friends can also access this video and learn how to convert this kind of data. Thanks for watching. Bye.